Welcome back to the littleGasthaus, a German sausage maker. We have an update today. We have been experimenting with the Bavarian Smoky Bratwurst. Now, you might be wondering what's the deal with drying sausages. Well, it turned out that drying the sausage over several days actually has an impact on using it as a Bratwurst. The drying process changes the texture, makes it less tender and juicy compared to the non-dried counterpart. So here's my advice. If you looking for delicious, juicy Bratwurst, I recommend skipping the drying process step to 2 days after the smoking. That doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to your smoky. If you intended to store it for a longer period, and we have a solution for you. Vacuum pack and store them in an airtight bag in the refrigerator. Can help maintain the freshness and flavor for an extended period. That means you can stock up your favorite Bavarian Bratwurst, smoky Bratwurst, and enjoy them whenever your heart desires without any worry about the quality lose over time. Up to 2 weeks in the fridge, I would say 3 months in the freezer without any problems. Now let's focus on attending something truly remarkable, the dry sausage. Prepare yourself for an explosion of flavor. I'm happy to announce you that the drying process intensifies the flavor of the Bavarian Smokys, creating a truly unique taste experience. Image a bit in a perfect dried sausage, leaving a carving for more. Trust me, it's a culinary adventure that you won't want to miss out on. If you feel a little adventurous, we highly recommend give it a try, Bavarian Smokys. I promise it's a real treat and will make your mouth water. That's it for today. Quick update, sausage from Bavaria. I hope this insightful information about drying and storing Bavarian Smokys has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, want to see more mouth-watering updates, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We constantly explore new flavors or sharing our cooking adventure with you all. Let me try one. Very good. Cut in slices and put on a good piece of bread, dark bread. How much better can it get? Try it out. You get the recipe. It's online. So what else can I say? That was it so far, and keep watching.